Hello friends, welcome back to Shreya's cooking channel. Today let's make fajitas with mushroom. This is a Mexican dish. For this recipe, I've taken mushroom 1 cup, onion 1 cup, red, green, yellow and orange capsicum 1 cup each, paprika half teaspoon, chili powder half teaspoon, cumin powder half teaspoon, pepper powder half teaspoon, turmeric powder half teaspoon, dry coriander leaves 1 teaspoon, onion powder half teaspoon, garlic powder half teaspoon, chopped garlic 1 teaspoon, oil 2 tablespoons, salt as needed. I'm going to make these fajitas in an iron skillet. Once the pan is hot, add oil, then add garlic. Once the garlic turns slightly golden brown, add onion and fry for a minute. Add mushroom and fry this for 1 minute. Now we can add all the sliced capsicum and fry this for 1 to 2 minutes. Now we can add the seasoning, add salt and cook this for 2 to 3 minutes. This is almost ready. You can see the beautiful colors of all the vegetables. Now I'm going to make some guacamole. For this I've taken avocado, onion, tomato, green chili, coriander leaves, lemon juice and salt. Add everything and mix it well. Once the rotis or tortillas are ready, add a good amount of the vegetables, guacamole, salsa, and finally sour cream. This is a very healthy recipe. Try this and post your comments, and also please subscribe to Shreya's cooking channel. Thank you for watching. Take care and stay safe.